Factorisation. Factor means, for a number, factor means the another number that is exactly dividing the given number. For example, you see 75. What is the factor of 75? Like if they someone asks, means we have seen in our session as well. Multiples and factors. Remember? 1 and then 3 and then 5. After that, likewise it goes on. Okay. So these numbers are factors. Now this factorization means factorization numbers that we have seen already. Prime factorization. Remember? Remember the prime factorization? Okay. Now, why I am again starting with the factorization? This time, we are going to factorize the algebraic expressions. We are going to factorize what? What is an algebraic expression? So far you remember. Previous session only we done, I think. Can you remember? What is algebraic expression? What is variable? What is constant? The types of algebraic expression based on number of terms it contains. Monomial into monomial, binomial into monomial. We've seen such things. Now, this factorization will help us to divide the algebraic expression. For that, we should learn this. So, there are 4 ways actually, 4 things we are going to discuss in that. First 3 ways is simple. The first way is taking out a common factor, factorization by taking out common factor, and the second thing is by grouping method. Third one is difference of 2 squares. Okay. Now, we get started with the first one. Taking out common factor. In an algebraic expression, we are going to see what are all the terms are there. For all the factors, is there any common factor is there or not? We are going to see. Okay. Take this example. (6a plus 3ab). Now list out the factors of this. This can be written as 2 into 3 into a. Is it or not? This number 6 I factorized and then a I written in the factorized manner. Plus this can be written as 3 into a into b. Now among these 2 terms, anything common is there? The common things are there. 3 is there, a is there. That means for all the things. So we will take out 3a as common, which means we are not going to write that inside. Whatever left, because it is taken out, right? Taken out means when it is not inside. So 2 only inside in this term, plus here b only inside. You got it? Okay. You see, this is what we call it as taking out a common factor from all the terms. Clear? Sometimes the grouping method we can apply. Okay. 3a square plus 3ab plus 4b square plus 5a square b. Not 5, let me take 4 instead. Okay. In this, from this first two terms we can gather. The second two terms we can group. Okay. So from first two terms, anything can be taken out. This can be written as, see, we are going to apply the same thing what we done, taking out a common factor, but not from all. From the first group, what is common, we will take that out. From the second group, what is common, we will take that one out. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now, from the first group, 3a is common, isn't it? Then 3 went out, a square is there. A square means there is 2 a's are there, a into a, like in the product form. Or do you want me to express the same into product form first? Would be fine, I think. Is it? I'll write. See, 3a into a plus 3a into b plus, this can be written as 4 into b into b, 3 into a, and then plus 4 into a into b. Okay. Now, the first group, what is common? 1, 3 is common, 1a is common. So, 3a will take out. So, remaining a plus b will be there. Okay. Now, here also 4 is common and 1b is common. Anything else is common? No. So, we will take 4 and 1b out, except this taken out things, remaining thing stays inside. Only 1b is there, plus a into a, it is a square. You got it? You got it or not? Understood, right? We'll see one more example. Okay. Take this example. Now, here I am going to group the first two and the last two. From the first two, what are all the things taken as common? So, here 3x. Sorry, here. Yes, 3x. From these two, we can take 3x as common. Okay. If you take 3x as common from the first term, 3 went, then how many stays inside? Don't say 3. Because when we multiply that again inside, 6 should come. Such numbers we have to write. So it is 2. From 2x, 1x went. So that is 2x. Plus 3x fully we have taken out. So it is 1. Plus, from these two terms, anything can be taken out? It's 2 again. No variable will come out, only 2 we can take out. Is it or not? Then 2 will take out. Remaining here, what will stay inside? This is actually 2 into 2 x. 2 into 2 into x. In that 1, 2 we have taken. So remaining 2x will be, yes, 2 and this x stays inside itself. And then this 2 fully went out, in that place 1. Whenever a term goes entirely out, there will be 1. Nothing is there. Nothing means 1 will be there. Nothing but 1. Okay. Now look at this. Now tell me how many terms are there? How many terms are you seeing? There are 2 terms. How many terms are you seeing? See, this fully one term, this is fully one term. Now in this, what are all the factors of this term? It is 3x and 2x plus 1. The terms of this factors of this term is 2 and 2x plus 1. Among this, any common things do you observe? It is the whole expression 2x plus 1 is common. Is it or not? Man, here only 3x. This 2x plus 1 is common in both the term. Okay, that comes in the bracket. So the 2x plus 1 will take out. When this 2x exponent goes out, then what stays inside in the first term? Only 3x stays inside. In the second term, only 2 stays inside. Okay. Have you got any clarity what we have done so far? In the previous session, I told you how to multiply binomial into binomial. Remember? This thing has been given and we have found out this full expression, product of these two. Now here, product is given. We need to figure out that is a product of which two numbers. Factorisation. Simply the reverse process. Okay. Any doubts in this? Okay. Now in this type, I'll give you 2 questions. You try to figure it out. Example 1. It is 8a plus 12b, and the second one x cube minus xy . Third one x into p plus 2 plus 3y into p plus 2. The fourth one, it is x square y cube plus x cube y square plus x power 4 y power 4. We are going to factorize all these 4. Okay. Now itself tell me, check the fourth question. Can you do it or you want me to do it? If you want me to do it also, I will do, not a problem. The fourth question, can you do it or you want me to do it? Okay. Can you see this question? Let me solve this one. You solve the other 3. Okay. X square y cube plus x cube y square. See, then better do one thing. Switch off your video. You are having a bad network, right? Okay. Then that would be fine, is it? Okay, good. Just listen closely. This question I am writing, so x square y cube plus x cube y square plus x power 4 y power 4. Meaning what? From all these 3 terms, how much is common we need to say. We need to take that out as a common factor. Okay. Grouping is possible here? No. If group also we can't do. When the taking out common factor itself possible, we'll go with that. If from all the factors, from all the terms that could not be taken out means we can go for grouping. Otherwise, we can go with taking out common factor. Now here x power 2 is there. The same x power 2 shall we take out from here? Here how many x are there? Answer me. X into x into x into x. 3x will be there. Here 4x will be there. Okay. So x square we can take it out common. Okay. And then here y cube is there. The same y cube is there? No. Only y square is there. So from this also y square possible, from this also y square possible, from that y square possible or not? Yes, it is possible. So y square we can take out. Now the counting should be clear. What we observed so far is we should take the least power of a variable so that it will be taken from all the term. Suppose you are adamant that I am taking only y power 3 means in this term it is not possible. Okay. For that also we have a way, but as for basics we are discussing this common factor. This way we should do. Okay. So now from this x square we have taken. So remaining there will be no x. And here from this y cube y square we have taken. So remaining 1y will be there. You got it? Plus from this x square we have taken how many x? Sorry, x cube. We have taken how many x? 2. Then remaining how much stays inside? Only 1 stays inside. Then here 2 itself we have taken out. So no y term here. Suppose nothing left means we will write 1. Else here also into 1 we will write, but that doesn't make any difference. That is why I am not writing. Okay. So plus here how many x we are taking out? 2x we are taking out. So remaining how much stays inside? X power 2, not 2x. Just pronouncing 2x like as in the matter of expressing it as a product, x into x into x into x. So 4 multiplication of x will be there. Okay. Then y we take y power 2 out. Then remaining y square stays inside. Okay. Any doubts in this? This is the process is called. This process is called factorization, and this is the very first method, taking out a common factor. Okay. So grouping means in this inside we can take grouping whenever it is required. See here, these two shares a common term. Sorry, common factor. Other way, these two also share a common factor. Suppose it is required, we can group these two, or else whenever it is required, we will group these two. So as of right now, this is enough. Okay. Now you do these 3 questions and tell me the answer. Make it fast. You also do this question and tell your answers in comments. Okay. Thank you.